On the 5th day of Christmas, Dana gave to us a trip to the emergency room. Welcome back, everybody, to the 12 days of Beast Mode Camping Christmas. Today's day 5. Want to go over what we got up so far?
Absolutely. For those of you that are just joining us,
That's right.
Dana built this entire 12 days of Beast Mode Christmas camping just for us with very specific instructions, only open one gift a night. So today is day 5.
Day 5, right?
And we're about to go through it. So day 1, we got the holiday flames.
Yeah, we got some flames going in here right now. Check them. They're looking cool.
Day 2, we got the Alabama
It's the Alabama whiskey cider, which we are partaking of at this moment with the mugs. Actually came with them too. Yeah.
And you guys are missing out if you don't have these. Highly recommended.
Very good. Okay. And then day 3, we got the cards,
which we're gonna play one right now.
Oh, you want to play one?
So this is
All right.
So this is fireside chats, basically conversations around a campfire.
And this was day 3, right?
This was day 3.
Day 4 was the
walkie-talkies.
The walkie-talkies, yeah.
So Steve and I can talk from our tents that are about 20 30 feet apart. But they'll be great while we're out here. So we're about to do day 5, but before we get there,
we'll have to get on the 4-wheeler and test the range of these things.
Let's do another fireside chat.
Okay. I'll have this one. And I have the 10 of hearts, which is cool. Like I was saying before, these are actually playing cards too, so you can play with these. Okay. Oh, this is kind of morbid for a Christmas special. Tony.
Uh-oh.
How do you want to die? There you go.
Wow. About 120 years old.
Right. A long time.
Fall asleep and don't wake up.
Right. Yep. I'm with you on that.
I think that's about it. Hopefully this card is not
not so morbid.
Describe your favorite childhood toy, when you got it, and what was that, and what that was like.
Toy. Does a bike count as a toy? Because that's the one that comes.
I'm going to say no.
No?
I'm going to say no.
Okay, well then it would probably have to be one of the Star Wars toys. When I was real little, we would always get, because we love Star Wars.
Yeah, of course.
We're talking back in the 70s now. I mean, that was when Star Wars first came out.
I thought you were born in like 92.
Yeah, right. No, we're talking late 70s when the Star Wars, I believe 78 was when it first came out. And we just had to have all the toys that came out. If I had left those in the box, I'd be a millionaire right now. You know what I mean? But that would have to be it, is all the Star Wars toys that we would get. I would sit in my room and play with those things forever. You get them on Christmas morning and it was just like, So I'd have to say Star Wars toys, and yeah, it was incredible, dude. I love it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. What do we got for
it's right here.
day 5? We already pulled it out of the box.
Yeah, number 5.
You sure that's day 5?
It says 5 on it.
It says 5.
All right, I'm gonna open it up.
Rip it open.
And see what we got. What we have is, oh boy.
Why are you ripping so slow?
Hot Ones, Truth or Dab the game. Truth or Dab?
What's that?
It looks like a hot sauce type of thing. It says Hot Ones, Truth or Dab the game. Hot sauce included. Tell the truth
or open it up. Let's see.
Or suffer the spicy consequences. Oh boy. Check this out. What's inside? 250 question cards. The Last Dab hot sauce. 8 spoons. Wings not included. So I guess you can make wing sauce out of this, or like chicken wings. Here's some little taster spoons. This is not a good sign, dude.
Okay, let me Hot Ones, Truth or Dab.
Let me just tell you, as a a former hot sauce connoisseur, anytime a hot sauce comes in a bottle this small, it is not a good sign. Because that usually means it's some sort of extract sauce.
Oh, they've got a YouTube page of First We Feast. Well, I took a bite just this big of a it was either ghost pepper or scorpion or something.
Yeah.
And I thought my bottom jaw was going to fall off.
Right, yeah, it's bad.
So, but hey, for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Let's play.
All it says is heat level 10 out of 10.
Oh boy.
So,
And how big is these spoons? Hopefully little tiny like ear hole cleaners or something, like
ear
tiny
hole
chopsticks.
ear hole cleaners.
Like a little. Okay, this is a pretty big spoonful if it's an extract.
Keep a glass of milk or water close
We
by.
got none of that.
None of that. Get napkins. Things might get messy.
We do have a pump of water over here.
The contestant has the choice. Either answer the question honestly or face the wrath of the last dab. So it's like truth or dare, but it's truth or dab. Let's just get an idea of what these questions are like.
Yeah, we can't play a full game.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have enough time here.
1 up. Bathrooms shouldn't be hard to find, but sometimes shit happens. Share a time where you crapped your pants accidentally. That's what that says. And then these are the black
I've never crapped
cards.
my pants accidentally.
I'm trying to think of
That's
it.
an easy one. You don't know if it's true or not.
I don't think that I ever.
Yeah.
I mean, I can think of other people that have done that. All right, this one says, rank everyone in the room's job from most to least interesting.
Ooh. That's something you go, yeah, I'll go ahead and take a dab.
Yeah.
I know interesting would be okay.
Interesting.
If you-
yeah, mine would probably
If
be
it
the
was
least interesting.
worth,
Right.
then that I wouldn't
Right.
do that.
Are you ready for this, Tony?
Yeah, I
You want to go
think,
first? You want me to go first?
I better go first. Smells like it's got some habaneros.
Some habaneros? Some habaneros?
Look at that. Okay, so this is truth or dab, and we're not actually playing the game, but we are going to take a little dab.
Gotta take a dab.
You ready?
I'm ready. Ready. Tasty.
Have you ever had some of those flavors?
I like it.
Did you swallow yours?
Yeah. Ho ho! Damn! You gotta swallow it, dude.
I do?
Yeah, just take it down. Take it like a man.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Woo! That's a spicy meatball. Holy moly.
See, when you said you can't drink water, I think I locked up. I'm drinking water because, here, take that.
It's gonna make it worse.
No, it's already all over every bit of my mouth.
Oh man. Wow. Yeah, it's bad. Whoa. I think I'm not gonna say 2 million on that, but that's definitely close to a ghost pepper. Wow. You all right?
That is hot. That's very hot.
I think I'm crying a little bit.
I'm sweating. My gums hurt.
I think I'm crying a little bit. My lips are on fire, dude. Woo.
I
Yeah.
can feel it in my lungs and heart. Remember the last question you just asked us?
I forgot.
About pooping your pants?
Oh, are you about to poop your pants?
It might happen.
It's about to happen for the first time. It'll go away in about 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's 19 and a half minutes too long. I think my kidneys are shutting down. Oh, I might vomit.
You better now?
Almost. My lips are like, I think they're inflating.
Yeah, I feel like a swelling a little bit.
No,
on the
yeah, they're
lips.
definitely, I can feel them throbbing.
On the 5th day of Christmas, Dana gave to us a trip to the emergency room.
I think if we play that game, I'm telling the truth.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know if I can handle that. I would, but you want to take us out?
All right. Hey, Dana, that was worth its weight in gold right there, man. The sauce is actually really good. I can imagine this game being really fun, and I can also imagine this game being really short.
I can't.
If you got a few people around the table, it's only going to last as long as maybe 1 or 2 rounds, and you're going to have people running for the hills, right? Okay. So 5th day of Christmas. Again, we're going through all 12 days of Beast Mode Christmas camping. Thanks to Dana. She's leaving us specific instructions to open one every day, and today was day 5. So come join us next time for day 6, and we'll see you then.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh my God.